In the previous video, we took you to a dreamlike destination in Vietnam, where mountains seem to touch the sky and nature creates an otherworldly beauty. The Mua Cave in Ninh Binh, often called the Halong Bay on land. We will continue with the journey in Ninh Binh. We will explore an ancient temple hidden in the lap of the mountains, the Bich Dong Pagoda. And we will drift along calm waters, passing through mysterious caves and lush green hills on the Trang An Boat Tour. One day, two incredible experiences and countless untold stories. So come along, let's begin today's journey. An ancient temple hidden against the mountains. To reach, you must climb the stone steps, pass through caves, and embrace the silence. This is Bich Dong Pagoda, a hidden gem of Ninh Binh. At the entrance, you will see this beautiful stone bridge. Beneath it lies a calm lotus pond. This bridge is the most iconic spot of Bich Dong. Standing here feels like stepping into a painting. The Bich Dong Pagoda is an ancient Buddhist temple complex built in the 15th century. The name Bich Dong means green cave, and just like its name, this place is surrounded by lush green mountains and mysterious caves. After exploring Bich Dong Pagoda, we took a cab and headed to Trang An Boat Tour. It is a famous scenic area located in Ninh Binh province in northern Vietnam and a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
We have a 2 ticket counter.
Okay.
Single ticket counter, combo ticket counter.
Okay.
Single ticket counter, we sell ticket of Trang An the boat ride only. Combo ticket counter, we sell ticket Trang An and Bich Dong Pagoda. After Trang An, if you want to visit Bich Dong Pagoda, you go to Bich Dong Pagoda by your own vehicle. When you go there, you can buy ticket there or you can buy ticket here. If you buy ticket here, you buy combination ticket. It is cheaper and it's valid for 3 days. And now you decide you want to buy single or combo ticket. Okay?
When my dancing, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song.
1 million for 4 people. 250,000 dong for one person. I guess 1,000 rupees.
Should do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me there. And let's do tonight again.
Amid mountains, rivers, and mysterious caves, there is a place where nature tells its own story.
We are confused among the 3 routes. We have chosen the second one. There are 4 temples, I guess. 3 temples and 4 temples and 4 caves. We have chosen this one. But all the routes are equally beautiful.
Another lifetime, find me there.
These stops over here is suggested as route number 3 because that has the longest cave. So we have chosen route 3.
This is Trang An in Vietnam, often called the Halong Bay on land. To take a boat tour here, you need to choose a specific route. Each route offers multiple caves, temples, and breathtaking views. Our boat slowly started moving forward, and the first thing that caught our eyes was the massive limestone mountains surrounding us. The water is so clear, like a mirror, reflecting the shadows of the mountains, creating a dreamy atmosphere.
Tonight.
We are on race and trying to go faster than them. Hello.
We don't have much time.
So we are going faster than others. We are 3 people
All of us are
rowing
going
the boats, and only 1 passenger is there.
There is one temple. We have come to the first temple.
The night feels so young. Every single moment has led up to this one.
Along this journey, you will also see several ancient temples, which are an important part of Vietnam's history and culture. This blend of nature and spirituality makes Trang An even more special. Now, we are about to enter our first cave. Inside, it is completely dark. Above us hang thousands of years old stalactites.
Problems are evaporating.
Sometimes the ceiling gets so low that you have to bend your head to pass through it. Just the sound of water and silence all around. It feels like stepping into another world.
We can see the sunlight now. We have almost come to the end of this tunnel. Amazing experience. So beautiful. We completed this temple.
Dinting.
Then dot cave is done. Now we are going towards Van cave. Cave in Vietnamese language is hang. Hang. Everything is little hang. Now we're going towards Van cave, and that was amazing. 1 kilometer boat ride. Amazing, and it was so cool inside.
Then, and let's do it tonight.
We are entering another cave, but this one looks better. No need to bend down over here.
I might just fall in.
Time seems to slow down here. No chaos, no city noise. Just nature and its silent beauty.
See, the water is transparent. Even the fish can be seen. Ooh. We have crossed 2 cave-like tunnels, and we have already seen one temple. This is the second temple, Sui Tien Temple.
One thing to mention though, it can get quite crowded here, especially during the peak season. And the full tour takes around 2 to 3 hours. So it is best to come with patience and enough of time. But overall, the Trang An Boat Tour is truly unforgettable.
This one.
It is not just a boat ride, it is an experience that stays with you for a long time.
It's a sign we should do tonight.
Thank you. Hi. Fine.
Bye-bye! The last cave of the day.
এটা 150 মিটার হবে।
These boats are rowed by local men and women. Their skill and patience are truly admirable. Hour after hour, under the sun, they guide thousands of tourists through this heavenly place.
এই হচ্ছে একটা প্যাগোডা আর একটা মন্দির, বুদ্ধিস্ট মনাস্ট্রি।
Since it started raining, so we didn't get there in the pagoda, but it can be seen easily from the boat. We are very worried because we have the train to catch.
After a memorable day, we booked Grab to reach the Ninh Binh railway station. We quickly had some local food from one of the eateries near the station. Even though buses and cabs are available, we chose the train because the journey from Ninh Binh to Hanoi is not just about reaching the destination. It is about enjoying the journey itself. The journey from Ninh Binh to Hanoi usually takes around 2 to 2.5 hours. The ticket prices are also quite reasonable and varies according to the seats. Slowly leaving behind the calm countryside, we finally reached the Hanoi city. On one side, the silence of rural life, and on the other, the hustle of the city. This contrast makes the journey even more special. After that, we took a cab and reached our hotel in Hanoi to have a good night's sleep and recharge for the next day's adventure.